Welcome back. Today we are going to study practice set 3.5 of the chapter Triangles. Now, the first question that is asked here is, if triangle XYZ is similar to triangle LMN, write the corresponding angles of two triangles and also write the ratios of the corresponding sides. So here, if these two triangles are similar, what will happen? How will the angles of these triangles be related and how will be the sides of these triangles related? That is what we have to show here. Okay, so remember children, whenever two triangles are similar, okay, their corresponding angles become congruent and their sides become proportional. They are proportional to each other. They are not congruent. Sides are not congruent because these triangles are similar triangles. They are not congruent triangles. If you see in the question, if there is a similarity sign, not a congruency, means they are similar. They are like each other, but they are not exactly congruent to each other. So whenever you have such symbol, it indicates that these two triangles are similar. And when the two triangles are similar, the angles are congruent and the sides are proportional. So let me write that. So as I said, angles become congruent. So first I write down these two triangles are similar. Therefore angle X is congruent to angle L, angle Y is congruent to angle M, and angle Z is congruent to angle N. Okay, the reason will be CAST, corresponding angles. These are the corresponding angles of similar triangles. Corresponding angles of similar triangles. Okay, similarly the sides. What happens to the side? XY upon LM. XY upon LM will be equal to YZ upon MN, and will be equal to XZ upon LN. Okay, so they are not congruent, they are proportional to each other. So that the reason will be CSST, corresponding sides of similar triangles. This A represents angle and this S represents sides. Let us move towards the second question. Second question says, in triangle XYZ, XY is 4, YZ is 6 and XZ is 5 cm. This means that the length of the three sides in triangle XYZ is given to us. Now the next statement says, if triangle XYZ is similar to triangle PQR, that there are two triangles which are similar to each other and PQ is equal to 8 cm. See, in XYZ they have given us all the three sides, but in PQR only one side is given, that is 8 cm. So then find the lengths of the remaining sides of triangle PQR. So we have to find out the two remaining sides. One side they have already given us PQ, so we have to find the remaining two sides QR and PR. Okay, so let us see how we are going to write now. Now first thing that we are going to mention here is that triangle XYZ is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, this is given to us, and in the next step we will write down, since they are similar to each other, we have to show the sides, right? So we will show their sides are proportional. So we'll write down the ratios. XY upon PQ is equal to YZ upon QR is equal to XZ upon PR. Like this we will write it down. So now 4 and 8 will get cancelled. 4 ones are 4 twos are, so 6 twos are will be 12. So QR is going to be 12. Now after getting QR, we need to find out PR. So I take 4 upon 8 is equal to 5 upon PR, and then I'll cross multiply and try to find out the answer. And hence when we cross multiply, we get the answer for PR as 10. Okay, so final answer will be 10 centimeter. Okay, now let us proceed towards the last sum. Third sum, draw a sketch of pair of similar triangles. So we have to draw two similar triangles here. Label them we also have to label them and then state the corresponding angles and by the same sign. So we have to show their angles by the same signs and show the lengths of corresponding angles by numbers in proportion. So let us start one by one. First, what is given? Draw a sketch of pair of similar triangles. Yes, so we'll draw two similar triangles which look similar. Okay, so my first step is over. Draw a pair of similar triangles. You are also always supposed to draw the figures with pencil. Then label them. So I'll label them. I can label them as say A, B, C, P, Q, R. Whatever you want to, you can label it. Then show the corresponding angles by same signs. Means we have to show that they are the similar angles by the similar signs. So I'll show angle A by this symbol. So at the same time P will also denote by the same symbol. This B can be shown like this. So Q also I'll show by this sign. And suppose I'm showing C by this symbol. So R also I'll show by this symbol. This means what? That these corresponding angles are congruent. Also, show the lengths of corresponding sides. Means we have to say the length or give the lengths of the corresponding sides also. Now we have to be very careful about this. Okay. Now how will you decide what lengths you are going to give? So suppose if I take the smaller one, this side as say 4 for example. Okay, suppose if I take this as 4, then this I'll say 4 twos are, say I'll write down 8. Okay, I'll twice of this side. Okay, so similarly if I take here 5, so here I will have to, since I've done 4 into 2, here also I'll do 5 into 2. So because of which I will write down here 10. And suppose if I write down here 3, so accordingly 4 twos are, 5 twos are, so 3 twos are, I'll write down 6. This shows that they are in proportion. Thank you.